Hello everyone, welcome to Hamburg City.
Nächster Anschluss RB9 8606.de, der wieder getan mit Anschluss Gleis 5 an 10, der Brüchen 18 Uhr 16 Uhr FDF. Next connections. RB20 Engine 6 my delivery car to the beach, Vehicle South from 5 to C, RE to Brüchen 1860 to 11 left.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hamburg City. Finally, after 6.5 hours, we have arrived here. We departed at 8 o'clock in the morning, and now it's about 6 p.m. and now we look for our hotel. We booked a hotel near here in the rail station, and we just have to walk going there. So see you there later. Let's build back Hamburg.
Aber die Wege.
Oh my god. Look at my luggage. This is about 50 kilos, I think. Well guys, we have arrived here at our hotel. We turn this on. We have 2 beds, 1 double bed and 1 single bed. This is the TV, and this is our view. So they have a mirror here, a whole body mirror, and I like it. And they have here a cladder shrunk cabinet, whatever. So let's take the toilet. The toilet is here. They have a phone. Was this phone? Harttrockner. Oh my god. Was this Harttrockner? Phone? Hair dryer. Sorry guys, I already forgot how to call this in English. You have a hair dryer, hand wash, and that's the shower. So that's pretty much it. And this is actually a basic hotel. nothing fancy. So we I need to relax for a while. Then after this, we're gonna go out and look for a dinner. So see you later. Guys, we are looking for dinner and the weather is not cooperative with us. And also, it's freaking cold also. Oh my goodness, I'm so much hungry right now. We are now in the Arabic restaurant and this is our first day for this holiday. We are just arrived and we ordered. So I wanna try this one, Hinshin Unkobido, and also we wanna try this one. And for the dessert, we wanna try this one. Hallo, ich hätte gerne die Nummer 19 und die Nummer 16, oder? Du magst die Nummer 16 einmal Nummer 19 und einmal Nummer 16, ja? Genau, und 38. Nach dem Essen, ja? Sie wollen das zusammen bringen. Ja? Okay. Und zum Trinken einmal Cola und einmal Granatapfel. So the food has arrived. Ja, das haben wir schon gedacht. Und das hat...
Nein, das steht oder.
Ja, vielleicht da haben wir das nicht so bestellt.
Nein, die haben extra Reis bestellt.
So we have a salad here. Let's try the salad. And we have here this sauce. This is yogurt sauce. And this one I don't know what that is. So let's try this. We get ice cream. Now I want to try this ice cream. Let's take from the top. Oh my god, shop ang. My goodness, the shop ang like nothing. Alright guys, we are now back in our hotel room and I just have finished taking a shower and it's time to sleep now and I hope to see you tomorrow for our detour. Good night. And this is my husband. Can you say good night to my friends?
No.